Mason-Nealon 33000 series triple offset valves incorporate patented design features and advanced manufacturing methods to provide bi-directional, zero leakage for a wide range of sizes and pressures for both control and isolation applications. In addition to reliability and exceptional performance, these valves offer unmatched ease of maintenance that translates into real cost savings. The triple offset design provides smooth operation with ultra-reliable metal-to-metal sealing. There's no contact between the disc and seat ring until the final closing. This eliminates friction during throttling, which increases efficiency and eliminates the need for elastomers, soft seats, or liners. Available in a wide range of sizes, ANSI classes, materials, and end connections, these valves can be utilized in a variety of applications. And by meeting or exceeding global performance and design standards, you can have confidence in these valves' ability to deliver. Field replaceable seat rings and a two-piece disc design enable quick inspection, removal, and replacement without disassembly, letting you avoid costly plant downtime. Since you only need to replace the specified component rather than the entire valve body, you also realize significant savings for parts costs and labor. The square shaft eliminates backlash with torsional stress distributed over multiple areas, unlike keyed or pinned designs that could be compromised over time. The disc sealing technology requires only one gasket under the seat ring. This eliminates a gasket in the disc, so there's one less leak path and more reliable performance. These valves are ideal for isolation, on-off, and emergency shutdown applications due to their reliability and true bi-directional zero leakage performance. The patented seat and seal technology, along with advanced manufacturing practices, results in a robust metal-to-metal seal that meets or exceeds industry standards. For flow and process control applications, the 33000 series can be equipped with an actuator and instrumentation to provide reliable performance and high capacity. With a variety of end connections available, customers can easily replace gate, globe, and ball valves without modifying any piping. Designed with metal-to-metal seats and an optional extended bonnet, these valves are ideal for maintaining zero leakage under harsh conditions, including LNG cryogenic conditions and fire-resistant environments. The new Mason-Nealon 33000 triple offset valves draw on the operating experience of thousands of Baker Hughes valves installed worldwide for decades. It's a versatile product line that delivers zero leakage, high capacity, reliable performance, and ease of maintenance in both control and isolation applications. Learn more at valves.bakerhughes.com.